A guy always makes the first move. But hey, gone are those days, Muse fam. Girls today are powered with confidence and do not shy away from making the first move. But how will you know when it's the right time? Don't worry, Muse fam, we've got your back. Hello, Muse family. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll tell you the sure shot signs a guy will show when he wants you to kiss him. Number 4. Dramatic and sudden voice change. There are several reasons why a guy might not want to make the first move from the fear of rejection or being judged. But even if he's waiting for you to kiss, he will still want to prepare the mood first. He might suddenly begin to speak softly, deepen his voice, or whisper in a sexy way. Watch out, girls, because this just means that he is trying to induce some intimacy into the conversation. Number 3. He starts flirting heavily. The guy you're on a date with will of course flirt with you, as it's part of the courtship process. But if you throw yourself at him at the first flirt, you might end up being embarrassed, and we wouldn't want that, right, Muse fam? But if he suddenly starts flirting heavily with you, that's a sign. Now, you might ask, what on earth is heavy flirting? Well, Muse fam, heavy flirting is when your guy suddenly starts complimenting your features, or attempts to tease you, or tries to get you to chase him. If you notice this, that's your green signal, girls. Number 2. He tries to create physical familiarity. Confident men have no problem in breaking the touch barrier to make you aware of his feelings. Before the first kiss, the guy will want to be physically familiar with you and might casually touch your arm or brush your hair from your face. If he keeps doing this for the whole evening of your date, you can be sure that he is comfortable and is just waiting for you to make the first move. Also, bonus sign, watch out for those frequent feel-good eye contacts. And now for the ultimate sign he shows just before the big moment. Number 1. He becomes quiet in a non-nervous way. A man who suddenly quiets down in the middle of a conversation, stares hard into your eyes, and smiles is definitely sending you a message. He will be toying with the sexual tension between you and might move close to you. He could kiss you easily, but he wants you to come to him. Feeling the butterflies, ladies? In such a situation, trust your gut and go for the kiss. Confident women making the first move will never go out of trend. So, Muse fam, I hope now that you know these secrets, you'll be prepared to make the first move at the perfect time. But while you might have to wait for your guy to show these signs, you don't have to wait to be a winner in our weekly giveaway challenge. Participate in our $100 weekly giveaway contest and help us to thrive in these difficult times. Just follow the instructions in the description box. See you in our next video, Muse fam. Stay well.